Today, we're going to be making Grandma's Cold Remedy lozenges. Take a cup of sugar, half a cup of water, half a lemon, but not the pips though, quarter of a teaspoon of ground cloves, half a teaspoon of ground ginger, and a big teaspoon of honey. Start that mixture on a gentle heat and gently bring to the boil. Now with your sugar thermometer, we're looking to reach the hard crack temperature. When that temperature is reached, take it off the heat and let it cool down for 5 minutes. Now I'm spooning this mixture onto a silicone sheet so it doesn't stick to it. And you're after those penny-sized sweets. Once they dry, you can dust them with icing sugar to stop them sticking together. Make sure they're well coated. And there we go. Grandma's Cold Remedy sweets.